Now allow yourself to become more and more comfortable in your sitting position. Let your hips sink down into your seat. The surface below you is supporting your entire weight. You are being held by the earth. Allow for your feet to make contact with the floor or ground below. Connection with Mother Earth. Feel your spine straight and aligned. Notice how your shoulders want to drop down a little bit more. Your throat and neck are soft and open, ready to speak your truth. Your head effortlessly balances atop the spine. Breathe in a sense of peace, feeling the cool air pass through your nose. And breathe out with a gentle ah. Now, observe the feeling in your palms, the palms of your hands. You can imagine that your focus is like a laser on your palms. And the more you focus on the center of your hands, the more sensations you become aware of. Perhaps you feel a warmth, a coolness, a gentle tingling in the palms of your hands. Some people even feel a magnetizing effect. Just focus on the palms of your hand, not expecting anything. The powerful sensations in the palms of your hands